guys? It's Kristen Hancher back at it again with another YouTube video. I told you guys I would be active on YouTube. I committed to once a week, every Saturday. Bitch. I'm doing Saturday and Wednesday. You're welcome. I thought it'd be a good idea to do a tiny little clothing haul for you guys. I go shopping a lot. Like, I'm a shopaholic. Whenever I go shopping, I would come back and like film a haul for you guys. So if you want that to be a thing, let me know in the comments. Okay? Okay. Yeah, here is the haul. I hope you enjoy. First thing I got. This little mini skirt is made of like this little jean material. And I liked it because one, I don't have anything like this. And two, it reminds me of Versace or like Gucci. And it has like this little like seatbelt, belt buckle type thing. This had a matching jean jacket with the same print and shit. And I was about to get it and I tried it on and it was too damn big. So Dolls Kale was nice enough to send me an online version of it in my size. So I'm getting that soon. So you won't get like the full effect of how this fit is going to look. But with the jean jacket, it's like much cuter. All right, moving on. Bitch. It's like this kind of like sweater dress type thing. I don't know, it gives me very like vintage 50 vibes, and I've been into like rainbow stripes. I know it's really random, but for some fucking reason, I've been into belt buckles and rainbow stripes. I ain't gonna be wearing this around the house, you know? Like, this is the type of shit I be walking around in the house. But yeah, this is it. Cute. Cute. We love her. Moving on. It's another t-shirt dress type thing, and it's from the same brand, and it has stripes, and it's colorful. So I was shopping there like maybe like a week ago or something, and I got this top in like rainbow stripes. Guys, I have a problem. I don't know why, but something about rainbow stripes I'm really digging right now. So I have this in like rainbow colors, so I got it in the pink and blue type stripe thing as well. And I think my rainbow one has like short sleeves. This has long sleeves. It's just cute. I like it. All right, cute. Next thing I got. Fuck, guys, I have a problem. Another t-shirt dress. Shocker. Yeah, cute. We love her. But it's like this long black t-shirt dress. I don't really need to like explain how it looks, like you can see it. But she has like little like colorful nails and whatever. I don't know. It's cute. It looked good on. I felt very hip and vibey with my green troll hair and wearing this with the black hat. It just like, it worked. So I bought it. Next thing I got is this. It's these pink pants. I'm so extra with clothes, guys. I don't have like one normal thing in my closet. It's all just like some random ass like costume shit, but that's what I like, so. It has suspenders. I'm such a loser. I don't have a lot of pink pants, so I had to snatch her for that. Also, I thought this was interesting because you don't really mix like neon yellow and baby pink together. And I thought it was unique, so I had to snatch her. Moving on. So this is the stuff I got for Selena. She's standing right there. Say hey.
Hey guys, what's up?
She's been like my longtime like Toronto fan. I almost said fan.
Same team.
She's been my longtime Toronto friend for like years and years and years now. We met at school and we both wanted to move out to LA at some point, and I moved out with Andrew. She was still like doing school, doing her job and all that. But finally, she got her ass over here about like a week or two ago, and now she's living with us. So like, that is the best thing ever. I got her this really cute bodysuit. She looked really poppin' in it, so like, it had to be done. And my favorite thing I got for her, this. Guys, isn't this the cutest little thing? We love her Clueless vibes, am I right? Yeah, it's really cute. We're gonna move on to this little goodie bag they got me. I haven't looked in here yet, so I'm like very excited. Bruh, okay. They sent me like these like rainbow gem things, and last time I went there, I high-key bought them. So like, they sent me another pack.
Thank you.
They also got me these ones. I don't know if I'll ever wear these. I don't know. This is just like not me. And then they got spiderweb nipple pasties, bro. Okay, I'm going to Escape on Halloween. Escape is like a big Halloween rave.
I'm gonna wear these.
They got me glitter for your like face and body and shit. They also got me, what is this? Sugar Pill liquid lip color. Okay, I have so much lipstick. It's like not healthy. But like, I got this. Cool, thank you. I've been needing a beanie. Okay, I bought a Bape beanie and it was like $200 and it's nowhere to be found.
It's a sad time for me.
But we got her. Actually, I'm gonna put it on right now. What do you think? Yeah?
I like it.
Okay. I'm gonna be wearing this for the rest of the video.
Do it.
She's trash. And lastly, oh, they got me a little, okay. I'm gonna fuck this up, don't judge me. Oh, it's this way. Okay, we're gonna try it again. You get it, you get the point. Oh, it's this way, that's why I'm doing it. Shut up! Wait. Ah! So I got this fan. Thank you, Dolls Kill. I have to put this out there. This is not sponsored by Dolls Kill, but I just like doing clothing hauls, and I haven't done one for like 2 years. Someone's in my house. I'm trying to film.
Oh my god, you smell so good. You look so beautiful. You're
Thank
that
you.
bitch.
Thank you!
You're that bitch.
Don't break my background bow.
Hi!
Want to show them your stuff?
Yeah.
Okay, sisters. She was really excited about this.
This is like my favorite item.
Yeah, that's really fucking cute.
Okay.
I love it.
It's a little backpack, you guys. I can't wait to be a rave bunny.
Rave bunny? You're a rave fairy.
She's going to the rave with us?
Yeah, she
Yeah.
Am I still going?
Bo, I've been over this. If you want to come, you can come.
He
Yes.
thought her
Oh my God.
fight.
Oh,
This is what I
Next,
like.
we have
she's cute.
this shirt.
I tried on that top and it just did not work with me. Like, it just wasn't cute on me. But I'm glad it worked for you. Isn't that
It's
cute?
It's the bottom.
I love like full
Yeah.
fits.
I know.
Like, I've been
Two-piece is
really
my
into it.
weakness.
Yes.
Then we got these at Chili's.
She's going to escape too, so she got some like
Yeah.
red costumes.
This is
Crazy
for a
shit.
casual
Yeah.
Tuesday.
Yeah, grocery shopping and shit, you know.
I feel like these are gonna be like really heavy on my crotch.
I have those. I have the same
Is
pants
it
as
heavy
that.
on your crotch?
I don't know how to explain it. It just is weird. It feels weird.
Next I got this.
That is so dope.
for
Like that's gonna look so
like
good
a
with
techno
that.
cowboy.
Techno.
I think, wait.
You're doing great.
Wait.
Why does this remind me of ovaries? I don't know why.
I'm a feminist queen.
Oh yes, bitch. I learned how to do it. So that was like not a human sound that came out of my mouth. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Love you so much. Make sure to leave a like and a comment. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notifications. And that's it. I upload Saturdays and Wednesdays in the morning. So, yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Okay, that's great. Whoa! I did not expect that to be black. What? I look over. I think it's gonna be a pink. I'm like, bro, shit. And you got lipstick all over your teeth and shit. Stop. Okay, guys, bye.